Hello everyone, my name is Labash Gupta and I'm gonna show you how we can play Sudoku. This is a very easy level version of Sudoku and we can start by picking any number. So let's start by picking 1, and for this one we will go to horizontal and the verticals as well. So let's check it out. If we pick this one and we go to the horizontal or vertical, you can see everything is filled, so we can't fill one over here. Then we go to this one and this is also filled. If we go to the vertical, if we go to this one, this is also filled. Now let's pick 2. So if I pick the 2 number and 2 is also filled, so now if I go to the 3, so yeah, we can fill now 3. If I go to 3 vertical, and you can see I can fill 3 over here, so let's fill the 3 over here. And for these, the middle column, let's go to the vertical, and over here you can see that we can fill the 3, so let's fill the 3 over here. And for this one, if we go to the horizontal vertical, you can see we can fill the 3 in this either in these 3 cells, but if we go to the horizontal, we can see we can fill 3 over here. So let's fill 3 over here, and now you can see that 3 is completely gone from our list. So let's pick 4, and if for this 4, as of now I think I can't fill any value over here, so let's go to the 5. And if we go to the 5, 5 is also not possible now, so let's pick 6. I think 6 we can use. So if I pick this one and go to the horizontal, you can see till here I can't fill the 6, and for this 6 I can't fill 6 over here, so I can fill only 6 over here. So let's fill it out, and now we have 2 6s, and we can let's move to 7. So for the 7, if we go to the horizontal, we can fill the 7 over here, so let's fill 7. And now we go to the 7 vertical, and you can see we can fill the 7 over here, so let's fill the 7 over here. And for the middle column, you can see till here we can't fill the 7, and because of this one we can't fill the 7 over here, so we can only fill the 7 over here. So let's fill it out, and now we will go to the horizontal, and we have the option to fill the 7 in these 2 cells, but because of this 7 we can't fill the 7 over here, so we can fill the 7 over here. So let's fill it out. Now we gonna fill 7 over here, so you can see 7 are also completely gone now. Let's go to 8, and for the 8, if I pick this big column, you can see I can fill the 8 over here, so let me fill the 8 over here. And for this one, if I go vertically, you can see I can't fill the 8 definitely, so 8 would have to become over here. So let me fill the 8 over there. 8 is gone, and as of apart from this, I think we can't fill the 8, but you can see we have one void over here which would definitely go with 5, so let's fill 5 over there. And for the 5, if I go to the horizontal, you can see I can fill 5 over here as well, so let's fill it out. Now I am left with only one cell over here which will get 2, so let's populate that as well. And now for this big square, we have 1 2 3 4 and 9 have to be filled in these 2 cells, so I'm gonna fill 4 over here, 9 over here. And for these 2 9s, I'm gonna go to vertical. You can see I can fill 9 over here, so let's fill 9 over here. And for these 2 9, I'm gonna go to horizontal, and I have 2 options to fill 9 over here or either here, but I'm not sure, so let's not populate it out. But what we see, if I go to this horizontal line, I have to fill 2 and 9 in these 2 cells, okay, but we can't fill 2 over here, so we will fill 9 over here and 2 over here. 2 is also gone now. Now if I go to the vertical for these 2 9, I can fill 9 over here clearly, and in the last 2 cells I can fill 4 and 5. So first cell will get 5 and this will get 4. Okay, and if I go with 4 vertical, you can see these 4 cells can't get 4, so definitely 4 will have to be come over here. So let's populate that out. And if I pick this line, you can see 1 is not there, so let's fill 1 over there. And if I now get big this big square, you can see 2 is not there, so let's fill 2 over there. So 2 is also gone. Now if I see this horizontal line, you can see 1 is not there, so let's fill 1 over here. So I'm gonna fill 1. Okay, so if I go for 1 and we go to the horizontal, so you can see we have two options to fill the 1, but because of this one we can fill 1 only here, so let's fill that out as well. Now if I go to this vertical line, you can see I can fill a 5 over here because 5 is only left for this line. Now if we choose these two 5 in the middle column, you can, and we go for vertical, you can see we can fill a 5 over here, so let's fill 5 over here. And for these two 5 we will go horizontal, and you can see we can fill 5 over here, so let's fill that out. Now I'm only left with 2 to be filled over here, so let's fill that out as well. And if we choose these this 2 and this 2, we will say that 2 will have to be here only, so let's fill 2 there. And if we talk about this horizontal line, we have to fill 4 and 8, so you can see 8 can't come over here, so definitely 8 have to be come over here, so let's fill that out, and 4 over here. And if we take these two 4s in the middle column, you can see there is only one place for 4, so let's fill that out as well. Now if I take this long middle line or vertical, you can see that 9 is not there, so I'm going to populate 9 over there, and 9 is also gone. Now if I consider this middle square, you can see that only option here will come as 8, so let's fill that out. Perfect. Now I will pick these two 8 and go to horizontal, and you can see I can fill 8 over here, so let's fill that out as well. Now if I use this vertical line, I can see only value to be populated over here is 6, so let's populate that as well. 6 is also gone. Now if I pick this one and this one, and if we go horizontal, you can see 6 can only come over here, so let's fill that out as well. Now I will pick the cell, and you can see only option for here is 2, so let's fill it out. And for here we have to fill, like for these two cells we have to fill 2 and 4. 2 will come over here and 4 will come over here. So this is how we completed a easy level Sudoku. Thanks a lot.